Hello Internet, before this video begins, let me go ahead and let everybody know that Ibarra is free up on Amazon again, and if you click down in the description, you can go ahead and be sent to a link to where that you can pick that up. And also, on top of that, please leave a comment, please leave a review if you can, and let me know what you think about it. Till then, enjoy the video. Hey Internet, how's it going? Welcome to another episode of The John Graves Show. I know that the chair spin is kind of getting a bit fucking crazy, but still, it's something new that I'm adding to my channel, so yes. And let's get into this episode of JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. And starting off, we kind of get to know, like, well, there's a very little interesting thing that starts off with this episode, and that is Josuke, even though, like, it starts off with him looking like at his bank account, right? And at first, you think, wait a second, wait a second, he doesn't have any money left because Joseph didn't pay him back. But the funny thing about that is that Joseph did pay him back. He gave him all, I think it was 120 yen. No wait, 120,000 yen. He paid all that back, and then Joseph just went back and re-spent it all over again. Of course, which kind of leads into the whole crux of this episode, and that is we meet Shiguchi. In this case, a small little like stubby guy who's bald and has spikes in his head. Actually, he seems a bit off, but he does seem to have this crazy stand called Harvest. And it's very similar to Bad Company in terms of that there are, well, he seems to produce more than what Bad Company was, because Bad Company just seemed to be a small platoon or whatever, and like, you know, with like his Apache helicopters and tanks and stuff like that, or at least it only had like a few of those. This one seems unlimited, as that it can spread throughout the entire town to pretty much collect vouchers and lost credit cards, and pretty much I think it was even was like loose change, or at least it starts off with loose change. And for some reason, this episode kind of feels a bit like a Three Stooges episode, except for with the stands, because as it starts off, at least it starts off as a normal JoJo episode, you know, with Josuke pretty much going after, who was it? Going after one of the harvest like collections, and then Okuyasu coming up behind him, and then afterwards it turns to a Three's Company, a Three Stooges episode, whereas that like, listen, or Josuke says, listen, I have this cool ass plan. You use Harvest, go out, you get all these vouchers, and then you get money back, and the plan works. They find all these little, they found meal vouchers, everything else. I wish I had this fucking stand when they do that damn, what the fuck was it? When they do that damn, like McDonald's Monopoly thing. Because if they did, I would have so many, I would have $1 million like fucking nothing. So, of course, like, the plan, it does work. And of course, I haven't talked about Shiguchi yet, because when you first see him, he seems to be kind of like this kind-hearted kind of guy who just gives away half his money to people who just have the same things as him, and he claims that they're his friends. Okuyasu doesn't give a fuck. He's like, yeah, man, just give me the money. But Josuke's like, yeah, I can't, yeah, man, my pride won't let me do that, which leads into this whole plan. And when the plan is executed perfectly, however, then that's when the real sneaking suspicion of Shiguchi comes out. In this case, he's greedy as fuck, especially since he keeps thinking that, okay, if it wasn't for this is like a worker telling their boss that, of saying like, listen, you wouldn't have anything without me, you know, sort of like how that when they do like a two-man thing or some shit like that, and one is always the punching bag, and then the punching bag says, listen, You need me. So therefore, I should take about 90 and you can take about 10. You know, shit like that. And that's kind of how Saguchi thinks, which is like, yeah, man, like, we have over like 60,000 yen here, but yeah, I'll give you both about 10,000. Then pretty much I'll keep the other 50. That's sort of how he's coming across. And this is even worsened in because at the end of the episode, apparently Okuyasu actually kind of has one of the better ideas or better habits, which is that people throw away their unknown, like, verified lottery tickets. So pretty much if we just check through them, we'll go ahead and probably find the winner. And he finds the winner that has over 5 million yen attached to it. And because of that, Saguchi, like, this one ends with like a glimpse as to how Saguchi really thinks, and it is, I did all the work. You wouldn't have that without me, so I should have it all. And that's pretty much kind of where they end this one at, because I believe that this one is a part 2. But till then, that is what I gotta say about that. Please tell me what you think about this down there in the comment section. I'll catch you on the next John Graves Show. Please keep watching anime, keep playing video games. I'll see you next time on the next John Graves Show. I'm out. Hello, wonderful internet people. I know that you love this video, and I know that you loved what I had to say. Even though it was a bit long-winded, I still appreciate it. But until then, please, if you like my video, please leave me a like, please comment, and tell me your thoughts upon what happened, or at least what I talked about. And also, until further notice, you can check this book out until August 6th. It is free, just a small reminder from the beginning. And yeah, I'll see you next time on the next John Graves Show. You know what to do. Stay happy. I'm out.